Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code directly in Affinity and how you can also personalize it. For that you want to go here on the rectangle tool and choose the drop down menu, and then you can see that here at the bottom there's a QR code tool. Just choose that and then you can drag the QR code onto the page. You can also put in the color of the QR code. So the basic QR codes that you see all around are just simple black. That's a bit boring, but you could also do a gradient for your QR code. Just choose something like that, for example. Just always have to make sure that the contrast to the background and the QR code is high enough for phones or whatever to be able to pick up the QR code. So that's one option to personalize the appearance of the QR code a bit. One thing that you want to change for sure when you create your own QR code is to change the data. You can just click on here and then choose the data type that you want. For example, you could just display a text on your QR code or phone number, email address or whatever. I'm just gonna stick to a URL for now. And I'm just gonna take out the link to Affinity and just input the link to my YouTube channel, and then you can see that this QR code already changed. You can also make sure with your phone that the QR code is going where you want, or if you click on here you can also check here that you have the right target URL. So you can just open it and see that it just directed to my channel. Now there are also some options how you can further personalize this QR code while still keeping it readable. So that you can convert the QR code to curves and could use the corner tool, select all of the corner points and just make it rounded a bit so that it looks a bit different. You can always check with your phone that it is still working. So if you make the corners too round, it may happen that the code is not working or is not readable anymore. So for that, always just make sure with your camera or your QR code reader that it's still leading you to a page that you want to. So you can play around a bit. One thing that you can do is to put a logo in the middle of the QR code. So for that, you just can take the ellipse tool and just put a circle down there, for example, and align it so that it's centered to the QR code. And then you could import the logo that you want. Gonna take my YouTube profile picture, just put it in there, change the size a bit. Now you have your logo side of the QR code. To make it a bit nicer, you could also add a stroke to that. So just go on the stroke panel, sure that it is aligned to the outside of the object. Just increase it a bit, maybe change the color of it to white so that it look a bit better. So you can play around, just always make sure that the code is still readable. I hope this video was helpful and you can create some personalized QR codes. If you have any questions regarding this process or Affinity or Canva in general, just put them down in the comments below. And I hope I'll see you in the next video.